Setting up Kollective notifications in Microsoft Teams is a fast and simple way to deliver actionable insights directly to your team. By integrating Kollective with Teams, you ensure the right people are informed at the right time, so teams can respond quickly to the issues that matter most. Adding a workflow to a Teams channel using Power Automate is straightforward and secure. Start by navigating to the channel where you want to receive notifications. From there, select the More Options menu, the three dots, and choose Send Webhook Alerts to Channel. Next, confirm the team and specific channel where notifications should be delivered. When the workflow is created, Teams will generate a webhook URL. This URL is what connects Microsoft Teams to Kollective. Copy it and keep it handy, since you'll paste it directly into the Kollective portal in just a moment. To manage your team's workflow, go to your Workflow homepage. This is the central place to view, edit, and maintain all of your workflows. From here, you can update settings to align with your organization's needs. If changes result in a new webhook URL, simply update the destination in the Kollective portal with the new URL so notifications continue without interruption. Once your team's workflow is configured, you're ready to connect it to Kollective. In the next step, we'll use the webhook you just created to define a Microsoft Teams destination in Kollective, so you can control which notifications are sent and where they appear. In Kollective, create a new destination by navigating to Manage-Notification Settings, Destinations. Then select Add Destination to open the configuration modal. From the Destination Type dropdown, choose Microsoft Teams to enable notifications to be delivered directly to a Teams channel. Next, select the notification types you want to send. You can limit delivery to specific alerts, such as stream quality, or enable all notification types depending on your team's needs. Paste in the Microsoft Teams webhook URL you created earlier, then add a clear, descriptive name like Knock Name Channel or Video Ops Alerts, so it's easy to identify where notifications are being sent. Finally, select Send Test to validate the configuration. Within seconds, a test notification should appear in your Teams channel, confirming the destination is set up correctly. For additional support, questions, or to learn more about other Kollective integrations, reach out to your Kollective representative.